Yo, welcome. This is your Crypto Shark boy, and today we're gonna talk about a new project that I believe gonna jump 1000x and even more. Stay tuned. Thank you for coming back to us. Today I'm gonna show you something about really nice project that I believe is gonna grow. And are you ready for this? Boom! The project calls Space Soldier, world first deflationary token for veterans. Space Soldier is a community-driven DeFi project built on a Binance Smart Chain network. So this is one of the really nice projects. What it's do actually is give soldiers from US and Canada, veterans, they give them some money for charity. Okay, now look at this. There was a pre-sale yesterday, and I actually made some money. Now they already moved to PancakeSwap. Now what you have here is auto liquidity 4%, and the redistribution to holders 4%. That's mean for every transaction somebody do, you're gonna get 4% just from holding the token. So it's really good, and it's still really deep. If you look at the poop coin, okay, and you press on the soldier, you'll be able to see that this guy is just going up, and it's only started. Okay, it still have a long way. It's only started on the 12th of May, right? So this is really great news for you guys. You can make a lot of money, and I hope we can make it together. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not gonna tell you what to do with your money. Do your own research before you get into that market. Okay, make sure you do your own research. Now, about this project, so 30% burned, 1 quadrillion soldier, and 10% is locked. Okay, so Space Soldier is a community-driven DeFi project built on a Binance Smart Chain network. Two functions occur during each trade: LP acquisition and replication. Our charity wallet will be used to donate to veterans in the US and Canada. This project seems really promising. The team is really nice, and they're working hard to make it pump, and of course they want to make it work. So the first one was protocol initializations. Okay, that was the first one. The second of the roadmap complete of the pre-sale, which is we did yesterday, and yesterday we also a launch on the PancakeSwap. So these two is very good. The next one is Coin Market Cap, which is once this is gonna be listed, it's gonna pump the price a lot. And I'm telling you, I see it happening many times with other coins. So you can basically, once it's pumped, you can sell. But I personally am gonna hold, because first of all I'm gonna get percentage, and once it's gonna get more exposure, it's gonna get a lot of money. Like, look, take it cake for example. Okay, now before you get in, let me show you how you buy it. Okay, so you can even personally donate to that wallet, and you can donate to soldiers as well. And if you go to buy on the buy section, now I'm also gonna give the link below, so you can buy it from the link. Now once you go to PancakeSwap, just don't forget to say I understand, and I just want to show you. Let's say you want to buy 1 BNB. You invest 1 BNB and get 72 billion of soldier. Now imagine, you see the cake is $31, right? When cake started, okay, if we just look, I just want to show you example. Okay, if we go to cake, just want to show you example what soldier can be. Okay, so if we go to cake, when cake started, nobody believed in it. Okay, it started around 0 point something cents. Okay, look at the cake today. The cake today is $35, and right now it's $30. So imagine the soldier can actually go the same thing gonna happen to the soldier. And why do I think so? Let me show you. On the soldier, if you look at the roadmap, they have a market cap, CoinGecko, and Blockfolio. Once they're gonna be listed here, they're gonna sold their view website. So they're gonna redesign the website, and then on the Q3 they're gonna have a soldier swap, just like a pancake swap. Now, if they have that, imagine what can happen to the price. Do you understand what I mean? So this is how you make a lot of money here. And this is about this project. I see many other YouTubers talking about this project, and that's the reason why I get into, because the YouTubers did the research and they probably believe in it. So I gonna go into it too. And what they do is really really nice here. So it's help. Well, guys, I hope this video help you to make a little bit money. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below for a chance to win 10 million soldier coins. And I'm gonna leave my address below. If you make a lot of profit, share some love, send something to your favorite YouTuber, so I can support my channel and keep giving you the best info as possible. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.